Hey everyone, we were super busy and excited on Thanksgiving, so this isn't a complete video, but I wanted to share with you our favorite dressing recipe. It's an all-time favorite. Go ahead and make your cornbread based upon we use Martha White, so based upon the bag, and we make it a day or two before. Once you do that, you'll cut up your stalks of celery. We use a few stalks and then one small yellow onion. Peel that and dice it up very well. And then once you're done with that, make sure and crumble up that cornbread very well and put it in a mixing bowl. And then we put in about 2 cups of chicken stock. Do not put too much in there. You don't want it to be too watery. You can add more. And then add in 1 beaten egg. Mix that up very well. Once you're done with that, add in some ground pepper. We're so sorry you can't see what Sweet Hubby is doing. And then we add in sage to taste. And then put in some parsley flakes. And you don't have to do that, but we love it. We think it really helps with the taste. And then you'll stir that very well. And then add in your celery and your onions. You can choose how much to add. You can see we didn't use quite all of it. And then just continue to mix that up very well. I do want to take this time to thank you so much for watching us and bearing with us as we're new to this. We hope you enjoy and learn some things, and do subscribe. Once you're done mixing it up, take some some salt and put that in based on your liking. And then you'll go ahead and put it in your baking dish. Stir it in there real good, even it out, and then you'll put it in the oven on 350 for about 45 minutes. Just make sure to put a toothpick in the middle to make sure it's done. Enjoy.